Hey, Jack, Steven, wheelie lesson.
Oh yeah, check this out, man. No, I mean, I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Walk in. Let's see a wheelie.
Stop watching me, man. You're putting the... Oh, what the fuck?
I'm a big walker.
Go ahead. Let's go. Alright, we're here at the freaking lot today. You'll notice I'm on a fucking Honda Grom. I'm on a Grom because my journey to becoming a stunter starts widowy right the frick now. You see that guy over there? That's gonna be me. And give me 2 weeks. I'm gonna be doing that shit on my R1. I'm gonna be dropping it back, you know, like all the way back and getting the butt back there, brother. But yeah, we're gonna be practicing some wheelies. We're gonna be doing some fun stuff. I don't want to do anything crazy on my R1, so shout out AJ, let me borrow his little Grom for the day. We're gonna see how good I can get at these. Ah! Slower. I gotta go slower. Watch me loop this shit. This fucking guy. Brother! What the fuck, dude? I'll get there. Give me 30 minutes. That's where I'll be at. This bike, it vibrates like crazy, bro. Okay, I just gotta rev it up some more. Oh yeah, that one was decent. I think I gotta shift my weight a little bit further back. Man, I don't know. This motherfucker is just nuts. He's just hitting that shit. Look at him go.
Make sure that camera's off. I'm gonna touch you.
No! Alright, so I just gotta slow it down and I gotta give it more oomph.
I got this.
I don't want to do that.
Let me teach you.
Yeah.
Wop, bop, 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 wop.
Okay. Alright. We're gonna put that into practice. Cut to me on the ground going, ah! Ah! I need to keep my legs not gripping on the sides, if that makes sense. If I'm gripping, the bike's just gonna wiggle wobble. So I need to have loose grip on my legs. Pause. Yeah!
Chill. Oh my God.
Bro, what do you mean?
Dude, I'm always
I'm getting there a little bit. They're getting a little better. Am I basically Brian 636 now? I basically think I am. Dude, this thing is so much fun. I need to get a fucking Grom.
That's my boy.
Yeah! I hate that this thing has to be in neutral to fucking start, and I can't find it. You ready for this one, bro? I'm gonna loop it right now. Yeah! Huh? I know. I don't know why. It always goes that way.
You're doing good.
They're getting a little bit more comfortable. I think what I need to work on right now is just getting it up to where I want it immediately. So I just need to give it a little bit more ungadungas. Any feedback, my good sir?
Go scrape that bitch.
Huh?
Go
that's the feedback?
I like going a little slower. Sorry, that was cool. I like going Shut up. A little slower to pop them up, because that way, especially when you're learning, looping slower is better. Because that way, if you do, one, the bike's not getting damaged, two, you're not getting anything.
Where should I? You think I should just slow down to like 5 or what?
Yeah, 4 or 5.
Okay.
That's what I do. 4 or 5 on this, and then just hit it.
Okay. That one was better. Okay. Yeah, I just need to slow it down more. Let the 636 get ahead. That dude's freaking killing it, man. He's kind of goated on the sticks, my guy. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Hell yeah, brother. Woo! Oh, my God.
You're rolling off too soon.
Yeah. Okay.
If I am not mistaken, we've got a killer in the making.
That's me. I'm a killer in the making, basically.
Killer in the making. You can break through the throttle.
Okay, so just go through it and just...
It's going up, just hit the brake.
Yeah.
Keep the throttle.
Okay. Okay. I see what he's talking about. I still lean. Why am I leaning so much? Fuck, dude. Okay. See? It's consistent to the left, too.
Yeah, it's because you suck.
Yeah, well, I know that.
Your butt slides up. Like every time you do a wheelie, your butt slides, but it's like this.
Okay.
I don't know, it's hard to say, but like this hump in the seat, just lean back against it. But that was the only thing I could see that was doing it, because I watched your hips slide up like this, and the bike just went with it. And I was like,
okay. I think what I need to focus more on is like even weight on both pegs, because I feel like I'm heavy on my right because I'm like ready for the brake, but on the left it's just sitting there.
Other thing you can do is move this foot a little bit farther forward and kind of like tuck it like that.
Okay. That feels better. So foot forward and like tuck it under there, and then I'm gonna be doing that in no time. That's better.
When you're watching him,
I saw him still on it, but on the rear brake too.
he can do whatever he wants with this.
Yeah, because he's just riding the...
Because he's got the brake.
Yeah.
'Cause that's the goal. More important than throttle control would be your brake control.
That's good.
Thank you. I'm making some progress. We're getting back there a little bit. They're getting a little bit better. The main thing is I'm rolling off throttle when I'm getting it up. I think it's just because I'm used to how much power the R1 gives me right away off of a clutch up. So what AJ over there is telling me is slow it down. Once I'm on throttle, I know where rear brake is. I'm comfortable hitting it. But it's just a matter of just not rolling off. I can use the brake to help me out. Come here, boy. Give me that tire. Give me that tire. So things that we're working on right now. I'm staying where I'm at. So like my butt's against the back right now. So I just got to stay there, keep my butt there, go up, stay on the throttle, use the rear brake, and fuck. They're getting a little bit better. I just got to go a little further back. Oh yeah.
I got that on video.
Oh, did you? Oh, that's not bad.
Good. Now you just got to send it back farther right away.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, okay, I got you. Yes, sir. Yeah. I want a Grom so bad. I'm convinced, bro. This thing is beautiful. I'm so glad Honda makes this, because holy shit, this is a good freaking time. I still just lean. I tip over to the left, bro. I don't know what it is. Here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm here. I scoot my legs back. I got my foot there. And I go to the left. I just do it every time. Hey! Hey, I was back there that time. Damn, I should just loop this shit so I have another ad for MBT, low-key. This is a good time, man. Stunting, I'm gonna take it far. I want to, bro. I want to so bad. You ready for this shit? Dude, they're getting there. I'm just trying to get up there quicker.
That's my boy. Everyone says you just gotta keep coming. You can listen to everyone here and they're all gonna give you good pointers, but the only way to do it is...
It's just seat time, yeah.
I can explain every single little bit of what I do.
But it won't work.
I can explain it as well as I could. You won't get it until you do it one time and go,
oh, there it is, yeah. Okay, I'm getting up in the right places.
I think you might have it by the end of the day.
I'm getting there. It's just that I just wiggle. When I loosen up, I notice it's so much smoother.
You can kind of see him doing it. If you're leaning to the right,
You're using your left
leg out.
yeah.
You start leaning to the left, stick your left leg out.
Right.
If it starts going too far, just set it down, because there's some point where you can't save it unless you literally...
Yeah. Yeah.
That's sketchy.
Yeah, that is sketch. I had a couple of those where I was like, yeah. Dude, that one was good. That one felt real nice, honestly. Okay, all right. No, that was planned, bro. Don't worry about it.
Oh, okay, really?
Yeah.
Just wanted content?
Yeah, literally, I turned my camera off for probably 45 seconds, and AJ got on the Grom, and AJ's like, I hate small bikes. He's like, I've only learned on big bikes. So he got on the Grom, and he was fucking around for a minute, and then I went over there, and I looked back, and the Grom was just fucking vertical, flying through the air, and I was like, holy shit. What is going on right now? The 30 seconds I wasn't recording for. But he's all good. It was crazy, dude. Like, Justin was like, dude, he literally looped it. He and the bike did the same thing in the air. But he didn't slide it. He wasn't even wearing a helmet or anything, bro. It was nuts. But it feels great to get some good practice in. And just hang out with the homies, too. It's a good freaking time, man. Everybody's been hyping me up, making me feel good. There goes the boy. There goes AJ. Getting right back on like a pimp, dude. Now I'm all nervous to loop this bike because it's got bad juju on it.
Can I tell you the one thing that helped me on Grom?
Yes, sir. Please.
More throttle and almost like get it to the friction point and then release it. Don't just fling it, because when you fling it, it snaps the bike.
Okay.
And that initial lift is that's your money shot.
Right.
So if you see these guys that can lift it up really slow rather than whip, it's because they're a little more throttle and
longer on that.
Really getting into the friction zone and then letting it out, and it pulls it up smoother. And then you have time to think, okay, now I need my rear brake.
Okay.
When I go to pull it up and I set it down right away, it's because I fucked that motion up.
Right.
When I pull it up and I can hold it,
it's because that was golden.
motion just right, and I didn't get flung off from the start. Here your Grom, and you need more throttle.
Okay.
And then a little bit smoother clutch release. You still have to snap it.
Right.
But you don't snap it until you're like out.
To where you're just hitting it and then you're snapping out. Okay. All right.
Then one big snap.
Okay.
That's me. Like I said, everyone does their own.
Yeah.
You can try it.
But I mean, at the end of the day, it's I'll take here, I take here, you know.
Just a little bit smoother.
Okay.
And then it's like you almost have like a full second to think, okay, now I need my brake.
Right.
And when you whip it up so fast, you're like,
Oh,
shit,
rear brake. Okay.
And then you come down too quick.
Okay.
Everyone says brake, but on these, too much brake and you're done.
Right. Yeah, because you got to be delicate with them. Okay. Bet.
Hopefully it helps you out. I don't know.
No, yeah, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. I just got to spend a little bit longer at the bite point and then flick it out. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. So I put my hands up, play my song. I just need to drop it back more. I need to stop being such a bitch. Yes, sir. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for the video. I'm sore as a bitch. We made some good progress today though, so I can't complain. I'm really happy with everything, and like also shout out the gang out here, you know, for letting me rip this freaking Grom. Everybody's a bloody legend. Okay, the main things I'm struggling with right now, I think are really just keeping the bike straight and dropping it back a little bit more, and getting 2 balance points sooner. But I hope you guys enjoyed my stunting journey, day 1 on the Grom. We got some good seat time in today though. I mean, the progression today, pretty nice. We still got more progress obviously to make. Look at this guy. One day I'm gonna be that good. I'm sore, I'm tired, I'm gonna edit this, and I'll be back at the stunt lot soon because my brother, I need to scrape. I hope y'all enjoyed. I love you all, and follow my other socials, and I love you.